Right, 1967 Austin Healey 3000. This is a one-owner car out of Beverly Hills, California. What is enthusiastic for me is the fact that this car is an original car that's never been taken apart. It has had a repaint at one point in its life, but it's lived in Beverly Hills. The gentleman stated he probably never took it out of Beverly Hills. That's probably not true considering how small Beverly Hills is, but the point is it's a Southern California car, not rusty, not repaired. An original car. I've had hundreds and hundreds of Austin Healeys through the years. I've pulled them out of fields. I've had show winners, restored cars, unrestored cars. And I used the word enthusiastic earlier. I'm enthused about this car because it is original. Things like the dog legs on Austin Healeys are always replaced. This one is not. The aluminum components are straight. Look at this aluminum cowl. How straight that is. Look how straight the beading is. Gaps on the hood are beautiful. It's fun to drive it because it's real quiet. It's real tight. Transmission doesn't make noise. Doesn't sing to you. It's just nice and quiet. Click, click when you shifts. You can see how nice the car sits. It does have a soft top cage and a soft top. The soft top's not in very good condition. Cage is. I think with this hard top it kind of gives it a little exotic look to it. Some color. It's a different hard top than I've ever seen, but it's interesting. Kind of has some Jensen Healey lines on that roof. Back deck lid gaps are good. Bumpers are good. All the chrome is good. It's an original again, so it's not going to be perfect, but it's got it's in good condition with very little pitting or scratching and damage. A little dark on this side, but you can see how nice the body gaps are. Again, how nice the cowl is. Nice chrome wheels, all of them in good condition, not pitted, not rusty. Front bumper fits nice. Grill's in nice shape. All the lenses are in good shape. You see how straight everything is on the car. We have the trunk. It's clean, it's tidy. Again, not rusty. Walk you around to the seals are nice. Walk you around to the engine compartment. It's not the prettiest. But again, it's an original old car. It's not a restored car. You can make it pretty by painting that valve cover. The rest of it's in nice shape. You can see it's an original red car. Hopefully we have good enough light. I can show you the interior of this car. You can look down in the jams. Again, you can see this is a good, clean, original car. Original seats with the gold piping. It has the patina of an original interior, but it's awfully good condition considering. All the gauges are in good shape. Switches are in good shape. Hood pads in good shape. Wood has a lot of crazing going on in the glove box area. not delaminated as of yet. Door panels are good shape. Windlace is old, could use to be replaced. Seats are in nice shape. Gauge is in nice shape. They all work. All right, one more time, one more go around. I just want to encourage you to understand the value of this car. It's just very, very seldom. Again, I've gone through hundreds. I don't think I've ever had an original car. Well, I did, or I have, but they were so horrible that we didn't want to drive them, or they were loose. This is just a nice one owner, well maintained original car. They're only original once, as they say, from the factory. And this car feels like it. It's so tight when you drive it. One owner, original Healey 3000. All right, we're on the underside of the 1967 Austin Healey out of Beverly Hills. It's a very interesting car because it's never been restored. It's never been taken apart. Always lived in Beverly Hills since new. And you'll see, even though it's not the most beautiful undercarriage, it's honest, it's real, it's original. No rust in the frame, no damage on the frame. We have one dent right here, no accident history, but damage probably from pulling the transmission out at some point or engine out. But the only thing I can floorboards are original, outriggers are original, no rust. Look at the inner seals. Again, this is not a restored car, it's an original car. As they say, they're original one time and one time only. Nice, beautiful stainless steel exhaust on the car from front to back. No rust from battery. In this pan, all the original spot welds, pinch welds are here. You can see the drain holes are at the bottom of the fenders, as they should be. These dog legs have never been worked or opened up. They're original. Nice Michelin tires. Differential's dry. The whole engine and transmission, rear main seal, everything is dry on this car. A bit of an oxymoron for a British car, an Austin Healey, but true in this case. Brake lines are nice. Stabilizer bushings are good. We'll lower the car to eye level and take a look. All right, we've taken a video here at the eye level so that we can see all the gaps properly. See bumper condition, lenses, obviously in nice shape. I'm going to be redundant, but I'll state again, this is an original car. It's been repainted at one point, but the car has never been taken apart. One of the most interesting part of this originality is almost all Austin Healey's you see. Those dog legs have been redone. This one's original. We've got some pretty decent light where you can see down in there and see how honest it is. I like the way these doors fit flush with the car. Very seldom do you see that. Look at the gaps. And this car is up on a lift. You'd think you'd see some stretching, some opening, tweaking. See how straight the sides are. Show you the other side. All this beading is nice and clean. This gap is nice. Very nice Healey. Look at these gaps on this door. Very nice Healey is an understatement.